Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and hit that bell at the bottom of the screen so you'll be notified of all my new videos in the future. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this a vintage Hollywood glam inspired look, so it's not exactly the same, but this is an easier way for you to achieve it with a curling iron. So we'll go ahead and get right into it. Okay guys, so I'm going to part my hair halfway through. I'm going to take sections and I'm going to curl it starting in the middle and go ahead and make sure you get the ends in and roll it up, and then make sure the heat is distributed. You're actually going to take it from the bottom and roll it up in the same curl pattern and use a pin curl clip, and you're going to go ahead and do this around the whole head. I'll go ahead and roll it from the bottom to the top. Make sure the heat's distributed. So to make it easier, you just grab the very bottom and roll it up. Then what you can do is turn the curling iron upside down, and I'm going to show you here what you can do to make it a little quicker. Once the curl is ready, you release it, hold it in your hand. The curl's already created for you and you just pin it up. And then the top is going to be rolled a little differently. This is the mohawk area, so all of everything is going to be rolled backwards and pinned backwards. So the sides are going to be rolled down. The top's going to be rolled back. Okay, so my curls have already cooled down. I went ahead and put on some lipstick. This is from Dose of Colors in the color Merlot. So what I'm going to do is just take out all of these clips, section by section, the way that I curled them. Alright, so your hair should look like this. So now you're going to use your fingers and you're going to comb through your curls very gently. And then what you're going to do is make sure your hair is parted the way that you want. You're going to take a brush and you're going to start brushing it underneath. And with your hands, you're going to mold it the way that you want it. So everything wants to go together, you just have to kind of mesh it together. Use your fingers. The more you brush it, the more it's going to come together. And so as I'm starting to mold it the way that I want, I'm going to use a pomade. I'm going to be using Suavicita Pomade. This one is just a really good medium hold pomade. It smells wonderful. It's clear. Looks like that. I don't know what it smells like, but it's very fresh. Kind of put it between your fingers. This is going to help to eliminate frizz. Use it to mold your hair. I'll come around here, make sure there's no frizz. I'll put some in my bangs. This is great at taming your bangs if you have shorter bangs. So, like I said previously, this is just a quicker way to get glam, old Hollywood inspired type of curls or waves. I think this is more of a day-to-day type of look that you can achieve to go to work, to go to school. So I really hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.